Welcome back to my studio. I'm Yvette Mecca. Let's go. Greetings, Creative Tribe. She is real, darling. She is real. It is I, Yvette Mecca of DC Art Dog. Yes, there is a face behind these hands. Oh, what a joy to be a part of May 2026. Welcome to May. We are here because it is giveaway winner time to pick. We are here because it is time to pick a winner, baby, for our Patchwork Bunnies Journal. Okay. Now, you know, I have my list, right? Yes, she has a list. I need to make sure I stay on track because I could be a little chatty and we are trying to do two things at once and I need to focus and concentrate. I digress. As I was saying. Thank you to Sandra from the UK, all the way from the UK, you guys. I am a part of her phenomenal team of designers. Be happy, stationery. Yes. Shout out to you. And we are getting ready to pick our winner. But before we do so, I wanted to give a shout out to all of my newbies. Absolutely love you. And to my seasoned folks, thank you for showing up and what? Showing out. I appreciate you because they be trying to count us out, but that's not going to work around these parts. No, ma'am. No, not here. Thank you so much. Thank you. I want to remind you all about, I'm going to call it YouTube Community Corner. It's where I leave all information, if not most information, about what's coming up this upcoming week, what I'm up to, what you can look forward to. I try to get your intake on subjects that come across my desk. We're in the studio as we speak. So any ideas that I may have, I run them by you, get your input. And if you have any ideas, anything that you might want to see from me to grow this growing platform, oh my gosh, it is booming. I started this channel 8 years ago and had to stop because of health reasons. And I started back up last year, October 2025. And to be honest with you, I only came back onto the platform because of my art. And at that particular time, I was doing my physical art dolls, and I had a art exhibit or art showcase, what have you, for my breast cancer dolls. And I started off at 67 people. 67 people. And I misread the information apparently because I thought I needed 70 people to go live, and I was trying to do a live event. Didn't happen. I reached out to one of my good Judies, Cree Rama. She is the creator and founder of Junk Journal Divas. You hear me talk about the divas all the time. Yes, on Facebook. Anywho, I reached out to her and told her, Cree, I only need about 3 more people so that I can go live. And she went to the group, the community, told them what I was up to, what I was trying to do. And I promise you, I went from 67 to like 70, 67 to 79. I think I gained like eight more people within an hour or so. It was crazy. And so that's one of the reasons why I am so dedicated and just thankful for these group of women in this particular group. With that being said, since October, I've gained over 100. I'm trying to make sure I look at the right camera. The angle of the camera. I've gained over 100 subscribers thanks to you all. So this again is the first giveaway. I follow a young lady on TikTok. I will leave her information in the description. I know her first name is Victoria, and she does vintage journals, and she does. She's on another design team, and she works with different kits. And I was following her for a while, and I noticed that at the end of her showcasing what she's doing with that particular kit, she gives the journal away. And I was like, you know what? That is a fabulous idea. I'm going to do that because I don't necessarily need this particular journal to be sitting on my shelf to say I accomplished this goal. I have so much gratitude to pour, and this is one of the ways that I feel as though would be best to do so, putting back into the community and keeping this channel growing. The platform itself, I don't know if I can keep up with y'all. I promise you, you just blowing my mind. I mean, yeah. Anyway, I digress. So let me see. I mentioned Victoria. That's something I wanted to do. I told you guys about Be Happy Stationery. The reason why we are here, the reason for the season, baby. Yes, the Patchwork Bunnies Journal at the Community Corner. If you all did not know, you know now. I am indeed an autism mommy. Yes, I am. This month, May, is mental health, and I am an advocate for mental health. Therefore, you will hear nothing but positive things from me. You will always hear encouragement, and I try to shed light on health issues because it is real and it does not have a name on half of the stuff out here. Okay. It is what it is. And someone that suffers from multiple issues, fibromyalgia being one of the top tier that you all know about. A recent issue was RA. I make sure that I bring light to those health issues in my work. I'm not a political artist, yet I am a health conscious artist. If that makes any sense? I don't know. Yeah, so I'm going to grab my glasses and make sure I got everything off the list because I can barely see right now. Yeah, I will meet you at the computer. All right, my loves, I have returned to the computer room and we are getting ready to see who's who and what's what. Let's get this spin going. Missy, you are the winner, my dear. Reach out to me by email or the social media platforms in my DM with your address, and we will get this baby shipped to you. Well, that was fun. Thank you for hanging out with me. I look forward to bringing more giveaways to the channel. With your support, I will be able to do that. All right. Again, make sure you stop by the community corner to find out what's going on, as well as turn on your notifications. That way you will be able to get all of the upcoming events, all the videos that are coming your way. You will see them ahead of time. I also want to mention my Ko-Fi. This particular kit you can find in Be Happy's stationery, at Be Happy Stationery in her Ko-Fi shop. Okay. You can also stop by. I would love for you to stop by my Ko-Fi shop while you're there. When you go to her shop, make sure you use my code ArtDoll. All right. And you will have a percentage off of the particular kit, any of the kits, but we're going to focus on the kit that I am giving away that takes part, that's with the journal per se. So yeah, stop by. Let us know that you were here. Leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Love ya. Thank you for participating, everyone. Enjoying my content? Well, come join our creative tribe. Subscribe, like, and share. I don't mind at all. Thank you.